Welcome to Jam Session. Joining us at today's event are several students from a local area high school. As you now know, these students are competing for a chance to win their very own musical instrument. In addition to the essay that they wrote and the extensive interview process that they've gone through, today's activity is the last step in the process, and your team's performance can help push them over the top. Your objective for today will be to earn the maximum number of points by creating a unique jingle utilizing a variety of Orff instruments and incorporating the outlined phrase. Okay, here's how it works. Your team will have 45 minutes to develop a song or jingle that is between 30 seconds and 1 minute in length. During your performance, you will need to be sure that you adhere to each of the following criteria. Number 1. You must incorporate the phrase outlined in your handout somewhere in your performance. Number 2. Every member of your team must participate in the production and presentation of your performance. And number 3. Everything listed under the instrument checklist section must make a sound at least once during your performance. Now, following your performance, a panel of judges will review each presentation and award a point value based on the following criteria. The first one is presentation. The judges will be looking to make sure you meet all of the objectives as outlined in the overall rules section of your handout. Jingle quality. The judges will be assessing you on the overall quality of your performance and the harmony that you're able to bring to your melody. In a nutshell, how good does your jingle actually sound? And last but not least, teamwork. The judges will be looking for how well your team works together, delegates tasks, and values the overall contribution from each member of your team throughout the length of the project. Now, the team that finishes with the best overall score will help inch their student one step closer to winning their very own brand new instrument. Now, for more on the event, let's go back to your MC.